Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to save a file in Canva. This is canva.com website, and let's open one of my recent designs. Once you've finished editing your design in Canva, to save your file, just click on this share button from this corner, then click on download. From the file type, you can select your file type, for example, JPG, PNG for better or complex images. JPG format is best for sharing because it have a small file size. PDF or PDF print is best for printing. Let's go with a PNG file type. Here you can select if you have multiple pages like this. You can select the page number from this list to avoid downloading or saving all of your pages. You can use the current page. Let's first deselect all pages. You can select this page using current page if it is the current page on your browser, or you can select multiple pages like that. Now click on done and hit this download button. If you want to avoid selecting the same setting every time you want to save a file on Canva, you can check this option just like that. As you can see, save download settings. Now every time you will try to download or share a file on Canva, PNG will be selected by default. Same thing with the size, yes, and also the selected page. After that, click on download, and your file is downloading to your computer. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now let's check this downloaded file. It was downloaded as a zip file because I've selected two files or two pages. If you select one page, you will see it uncompressed directly. Let's check this folder, and these are the two files I've selected to be downloaded from Canva. And this is how to save a file in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.